like that.
Okay, hi guys. So this is me Andrew, and welcome back to my channel. Andrew Teach. So today I'm going to teach you how to install the Logitech software for your mouse. So here's my mouse. I bought it 3 years ago. So this is the G90. So let me connect it. Wait. Okay, so I am back with the mouse. So the mouse is connected, and this is our mouse. So so I can scroll it. So you go down to the comments, check, and you will see the links down below. Okay, so I am back with the link, and this link is from Mediafire. So you will see it will say Vietnam. So this is the place where I uploaded. And you scroll up, and you click download from here. I just click download it. I already installed, so let me open it. Okay, so you see you're in the background software, right? Click on the right arrow. You will see your mouse. Nice. So, for example, when you click it, I would do like when you click it, when you click the middle button, look here, exchange. So if you want to change the DPI, just drag this and pull this up, for example, like that. And this is the end of the channel, and I hope that you could do it by yourself, and if you want to support me more, subscribe, because I have doing and paying doing this channel since 2020, like 3 years ago. So please support me. Why don't you try to subscribe to me? Okay, so this is the end of the channel. Goodbye.